Polite English requests. Mastering. Is it possible, please, and thank you. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our next English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore polite expressions for making requests, specifically focusing on how to use "Is it possible, please," and "Thank you." These phrases are essential for maintaining respect and kindness in conversations. Let's dive in. When we make requests, it's crucial to sound polite. One common phrase we can use is it possible?" This expression is used when asking someone if they can do something for us. It's softer than a direct command and demonstrates respect for the other person's time or abilities. Examples: Is it possible for you to send me the report by tomorrow? Is it possible to turn down the music a bit? Remember, the goal is to make your request sound less demanding and more like a polite inquiry. Now let's make our requests even more polite. You can add the word "please" to your phrase. Please is a polite word that can soften your request and show your good manners. Examples: Is it possible for you to send me the report by tomorrow, please? Is it possible to turn down the music a bit, please? Notice how the addition of "please" makes the request sound more courteous. Lastly, let's add "thank you" to our phrase. This creates a complete polite request. Thank you shows gratitude and appreciation in advance, making the other person more likely to fulfill your request. Examples: Is it possible for you to send me the report by tomorrow, please? Thank you. Is it possible to turn down the music a bit, please? Thank you. Notice how "thank you" at the end of each request adds a warm, appreciative tone. That's it for today, folks. We hope you now feel more confident using "Is it possible, please," and "Thank you" in your requests. By practicing these expressions, you'll be able to maintain polite, respectful, and positive communications in English. Don't forget to practice these phrases in your daily conversations. Happy learning and see you in our next video.